just recording.
It's recording? Alright, here we go. Okay. The first step is to harvest pollen. We're going to grab the corolla, but not the reproductive parts, and pop it free of the calyx. Alright. In yellow monkeyflower, the pistil will remain with the calyx and the maternal plant, and the anthers should come along with the corolla, since they're affixed at the base of the corolla. I can show you here. Down there, and you can see the 4 anther sacs, 1, 2, 3, 4, arranged kind of in a too long, too short arrangement. Now, you're going to put them onto the microscope slide and just tap the pollen out. Now, depending on how fresh the flowers are and the genotypes of the plants, you can get a great deal of pollen from a single flower, or you might have to harvest several. What you should see is, as you tap the pollen sacs, a fine yellow powder. Now, once you have that from several flowers, and we have plenty of pollen here, you're going to collect it with the flat edge of the forceps. Alright, like that. Now, what I have over here is a couple of flowers where we've peeled back the corolla to reveal the stigmatic surface, which is right there. And what we're going to do is simply brush the pollen onto the stigmatic surface. Now, what you can see there is that the stigmatic surface went from opened, as it is over here, to closed. That's because, as I mentioned previously, yellow monkeyflower has a touch-sensitive stigma. All right. Now, I still have quite a bit of pollen on this, on the forceps, and so we'll do this again to this second flower. Now, this flower is actually a bit older, and what you can see, and this is pretty common, is that the closure of the stigma is much slower in older flowers. All right, but we still got plenty of pollen on the stigma. Now, oftentimes you don't necessarily have to remove the corolla. You can just peel it back like this, and then direct transfer with the forceps.